Dama, 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 this girl that I came in with, Dama main.
Hey goddesses, so today I'm going to show you guys how I did my meal prep this week. So yeah, this tutorial is going to be pretty straightforward. Right now I'm just showing you guys everything that I brought at the grocery store that I plan on incorporating into my meal prep. And so yeah, if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial, please go ahead and leave a comment down below and I'll definitely get that to you guys. But right here I'm just showing you different things I'm going to add to my diet and basically add to my meal prep. So yeah, we're about to get started. So yeah, right here, this is just the broccoli and corn that I'm gonna boil, well, steam, to go ahead and add to my meals, and also brown rice because it's better than white rice. And those are some hash browns that I'm going to incorporate with my omelet in the morning. And then this is a stir fry mix of different peppers and onions, and it's going to go into my omelet. Okay, so right here, this is going to be black pepper, and then I'm also going to add on top of my chicken, this is this Beta all-purpose seasoning or complete seasoning. And yeah, I was going to try to show you guys the nutrition facts, but yeah, it's really pretty basic seasoning, but it's really good. It's really good. So these are my different fruits, and then at the bottom I have diced ham that I'm going to add to my omelet, and here is my chicken, my raw chicken. And yeah, I'm about to season this. So I prepped my oven to 405 degrees, and I'm going to let that cook for 30 minutes. And then this is what it looks like cooked after 30 minutes. Looks delish, and it was delish. And yeah, guys. So then I also had my corn cooking and my brown rice cooking. Okay guys, so now I am beginning to prep my meals, and so I actually started out doing this a very difficult way, and then my dad came in and suggested another way, so you'll see me switch over and lay everything out and put everything into the container the way he told me to do it. And so yeah, and also I am measuring everything with a teacup, and it actually is a actual cup. I did go ahead and measure it by putting water in it and comparing it to my the little measuring cup. So yeah, I went ahead and used that. And yeah guys, this is definitely a learning curve, so don't get frustrated. This is my first week, but definitely by my second week I was a lot better at it, in my third week. So yeah guys, now I'm just adding my sides. I'm sorry, I'm adding my rice. And yeah, so I'm just filling up each of my containers with chicken and rice. So my white containers are basically just for chicken and rice, and then I'm also doing my blue containers for my sides, so that way I know the difference. And now I was trying this thing where I filled up some of my containers with just blueberries, and then my other containers with yogurt and blueberries. And yeah, that kind of sort of worked out. I kind of ended up not eating it like that, but yeah, I probably won't do that again anymore. But this was just, you know, me wanting to use all of my containers. Yeah guys, so this is basically the end product. I'm just, situating everything, and I did have one piece of chicken left that I ended up adding to one of my salads later. But yeah guys, this is basically it. I'm super proud of everything that I made. Everything tasted great. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this journey will be successful, and I'll flourish in the process. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to continue to support, like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.